All right, good Saturday morning. Welcome back to the Columbia Basin Hobby YouTube channel. Excuse me. Today I am working on my old original Axial RR10 Bomber. I have had this for years and years, well, since they came out with the kit, I don't know how many years ago. I absolutely love this thing. I've beat it to death. It has 1800 kV Fusion Pro, Hobbywing Fusion Pro in it. Super smooth, super powerful. It has the 2-speed transmission in it. And it was just getting wore out, as you can tell. All the, I don't know if you can hear that, all the slop that's in all the rod ends. It all has the plastic rod ends in it from original. They're all getting sloppy. I did the front and it is nice and snug and tight. The steering I had redone a while ago. It's nice and tight. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. Tearing the back one apart. Like I said, I did the front already. I'm going to do the back, and then I've got my tires and wheels here that have the stock foams in them. I'm going to be putting, there they are, 2.2 Injora silicones in them. They're the blue medium. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So I'm going to get the camera set up and get. Alright, let's get going. I did do that one already, so, but I'm going to do this back one. You can just see how sloppy and loose some things are. I tell you what, these pliers are a lifesaver. Shock pliers, so nice. Pop the old stock plastic ones out. Put new metal ones. Oh yeah. Much tighter. Yeah. Oh yes. Already much better. Did that, like I said, I did that one already. Let's get this side. Flip it around. Those of you that don't know, the fronts and these back ones here are held in with little itty bitty. If you've never seen them on an RR10 Bomber, those there and those are held in by this, which is kind of odd, but that's just the way they did it. Yep, that went flying. Oh, there we go. Other one, I found a little washer that I jammed in with it to keep it a little tighter, so I think I'm going to do that with this one. I don't know, maybe that side's a little more wallered out than what this side was. Yeah. The only kind of drawback with this is you can't sandwich them together. That, yeah, that's not, I don't really like that. I may see if I can get that washer in there. a little bit. Oh yeah, there we go. I can't get it all lined up in there. There we go. Now it's good and tight. There we go. Now let's do this back one. Oops, it's gonna go the other way. There we go. Oops. Oh yes. Now I just got to do those. Get to that one. Oh, fun. I have to take those out. Having removed the body, the ones that keep the body in. So I think I'm gonna have to raise it up a little bit. Hopefully we can pull it up enough. Oh yeah, I think, yeah, to get in there. Especially if I remove this. All right, let's get back to it here. Got a little interrupted. There we go. Get those out. Now I can probably lift this up a little better. Not much, but should be able to get in and get these loose. Go. There's that one loose. Yeah, just they're wobbly. They're both straight. So let me grab my straight ones. Grab just a bunch of these online. They're 4mm rod ends. So I just got a bunch of them. Like $10 or something on Amazon. That's what I got them. So just going over to my little vise here, quick a sec, to take the old ones off and put the new ones on. I'm still here. Sorry. This takes a little bit to get these off. Alright. And there's the new ones installed. And the short end was this way. Go. Oh yeah. Oh, that's much better. All right, flip it around. The other side. So I'm moving that to get to this one right there. That's what I'm getting to. There we go. Maybe I can, oh yeah, I might be able to do them just sitting here. When I built this as a kit, these are all Loctited in, so those aren't going anywhere. I can actually use this pliers. Make sure I get them lined up right. Go. That's straight with that. Put those away. Sure I get them lined up. There we go. And the short end was this way. A little bit more of a, there we are. There we go. Now I can go back in. We'll put those two side pieces back, screws back in. All right. For now. There's that one. Screw through. Go. There it goes. Oops. That one. That one in. Go. Put the nut on. There it is. Tighten it up good and tight. Oh, that is so much better. So much better. Look at that. There's a little bit in there, but so much tighter. Let's get this other side body screw in here. Alrighty, there we go. Oh, that's so much tighter. Still has the flex I want. Of course, this has got the sway bar in the back, so it doesn't have a whole lot of flex. Yeah, with the 1800 kV in here and the 2-speed transmission, it's fast in second gear, so you get the rock racer, rock bouncer, but yet you can put it in low range, and because of the low crawlability of those Hobbywing Fusion Pros, it will crawl too. So there she is, my good old RR10 Bomber. All the rod ends rebuilt. Steering, like I said, is nice and tight now. Let's start on the wheels. Probably just do a couple on camera. And oh, hi, spider. I don't know where that guy came from, but let's get into these wheels. Alright, probably just going to do a couple of these wheels on camera, and I'll do the other two off camera, but just kind of show you how these things are done. Oh my goodness, those are tight. And these are the stock tires for the Bomber, but I put some nice aluminum bead locks in it, and they are the stock foams. But pull those out. I've been really liking these Injora silicone foams. They give it a lot better sidewall stability when you're coming off a rock or whatever sideways. Gives it some more. I mean, you look at that versus that's really squishy and that's not. So I've been really liking these Injora silicones. They're easy to install. They work good. That one. Ooh. This might be a little fun to put in. No, maybe not. I always like to get a couple in, make sure that everything is tight and in. I can slide out like that. And I always go in an X pattern when I'm tightening up even bead locks. I'd like to try and go in an X pattern. You know, there type thing when I'm doing mine. One more check around. There we go. There's one. And I did vent them. So, but that gives much better sidewall support. When you look at that compared to that, yeah, much better. Hey, one down, and it gives it a little more weight. The Injora foams are a little bit, or those silicone inserts are a little bit heavier, which is nice too. So it gives you a little bit more low weight, unsprung weight also. Of course, the nice thing, these tires are non-directional. They're the same both sides, so it really doesn't matter which way you put them. Full foam. New silicone insert. Go. Yep. Not quite all the way in there. Better. There we go. That went in there a little better. Again, like I said, like to do an X pattern. And then again, just to make sure that everything's seated and good. There you go. 2 down, 2 to go. I will come back when I get the other 2 done, and we'll get them put on the rig again. Alright, got the other 2 done. Let's put them back on. I don't know about you, but when I always put wheels and tires on to make sure that things still rotate free, so I'm not jamming anything up. Alright, oops. Thing still rotates freely. They're all tight. There we go. I like these wheels. This is the factory stickers for the kit, and I think they actually match really, really well. So, and of course my favorite color is orange. So, as you can see, when I built this, I painted the fuel cell. I kind of put the little fuel tube in there, fuel filler thing. I painted the King reservoir shocks and kind of put a little tube that looks like it runs into them there. So I did a few things to this when I built this first off, but this is the kit, so it does have the nice King shocks, and like I said, I absolutely love this thing. Or as crawler, rock bouncer, racer, whatever you want to call them, this thing's fun and nice, and one that I will never ever get rid of. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this little video on kind of a how-to and kind of just a fun little video on showing you some of the stuff I've got in my personal collection and just maintaining them. Have got an update on my Vanquish H10 optic kit. It should be here Tuesday, so look forward to a build series video on that. It is going to be probably a 2, 3, maybe 4-part series that I'm going to do on it, and we're just gonna, a lot of the videos that I've seen about it, they just kind of do a quick build and then a run. I'm actually going to do a step-by-step, like I said, multi-part build series on it, going, just building everything. So, and the H10 optic kit, like I've said before, and like you've probably seen, you don't know which livery you're getting until you open the box. So I really hope I think I showed you these. These are the wheels and tires I'm going with on it. So I hope that they go with it well. And like I said, I really like these Muse, whatever you want to call wheels. They're got the brass in them. They're heavy. It's got the Injora inserts again. Injora Mud Terrain MTs. So that's what's going on my optic when I get it, when I do the build series. So I hope you stay tuned for that, and we'll see you next time. Bye.